Welcome to Sova Ni Bula Quick Reference Guide app version for SOPD Physiotherapist. In this video, we will look at the following features: updating the patient queue, viewing examination results for recent lab results, entering physiotherapy notes, and viewing the reading and exhibition feature. To begin with, log into the system and search for the scheduled patients. All patients scheduled for health center visit can be found under Reminder. Tap on Reminder to begin. This will redirect you to the Appointments page. In the Sova Ni Bula app, the appointments are given in 3 different categories. These are appointments that are due today, appointments that are due in a week, and those who have defaulted their appointments. From the Today's tab, you may view the patients that are due for clinic on the current day. Basic details to identify the patient has been given here. You will also see the queue number indicated as per the order of the SOPD numbers given out to the patients upon arrival at the SOPD clinics. For each patient that has been checked in, there is a queue that will be displayed. This queue is color-coded to indicate which staff has already completed consultation with the patient. The color codes are as follows. Red indicates that the patient is yet to be consulted by that staff. Orange indicates that the staff is currently consulting that patient, whereas green indicates that the staff has completed consulting that patient. You'll note that the diagnosis is also given underneath each patient's basic profile details. The primary diagnosis is indicated in red, whereas the secondary diagnosis is indicated in black. To check in a patient, you may use the search feature indicated by the magnifying glass on the top right-hand corner, or you may scroll through the list and select the patient accordingly. Please use the NHN to correctly identify the patient that you are searching for. As there are many patients with the same first name and surname, to avoid any mix-up, it is always best to use the NHN. After typing in the NHN, you may press Confirm to search. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will return to the Reminder Appointments page and visit the patient profile from there. However, both options are available for viewing the patient's profile. From the Appointments page, you can see that the first and second patient have already been seen by the physiotherapist, as indicated by the green icon. The third patient is yet to be seen by the physiotherapist. Thus, we will select the third patient for viewing. This brings us to step 2. Tap on the patient to view the full profile details. From here, you can view the patient's demographic details, summary, as well as other relevant medical history, as well as the contact information and pen color. Step 3. View the past medical records from the Records tab. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Records icon. Here you can view the current day's records entered by the dietitian, the medical officer, as well as the nurse during triage. You can also view the past medical records entered during past SOPD visits. To view the specific records, you may use the filter option on the top right corner just beneath the patient's basic details. This is indicated where it says, click here to display the specified record. From here, you may filter through for the physiotherapy clinical notes. Any past physiotherapy notes will be displayed here. You may tap on the View icon to open the note and review in full. Tap Done when you have finished reviewing the note. Step 4. You will return to the Menu tab to update the physiotherapist queue and enter the physiotherapist note. Tap on the physiotherapist icon to update the queue. The icon will change color from red to orange, indicating that the patient is now being assessed by the physiotherapist. Next, tap on the physiotherapy notes to start your entry. The SOAP format for physiotherapist note has been given here. This is subjective, Objectives, Assessment and Problem List. Conduct your assessment and enter the notes accordingly. For the purpose of this demonstration, we are simply entering test notes. Here, you also have the option to view the current day's medication prescription as well as vital signs and other notes entered by the nurses, the medical officer, and the dietitian. The two icons for this are given on the top right corner. The first icon is the medication icon. Tap on the medication icon to view the prescription for the current day. You may also use the arrows to view previous prescriptions that have been given. To return to the physiotherapist note, tap on the screen above the medication. You may also view records made by other SOPD staff by tapping on the record icon. To view the record in greater detail, you may tap on the view icon. To return to the physiotherapist note, tap on the space above this record. You may then make your assessment accordingly and enter your notes. Once you have finished entering the notes, tap Confirm to save. Step 5. Reading an exhibition. We will now move on to reading an exhibition where you can view materials for conducting patient education. Tap on Reading an Exhibition. Here you will see various notes that will be useful for you in conducting patient education. Select the IEC material relevant to you and your patient. You may scroll through the notes and advise your patient accordingly. Step 6. We will now return to the patient's information profile to update the patient queue. Again, you will go to Reminder and select your patient from there. Tap on the menu icon and then tap on the physiotherapist icon to update the queue. You may now return to the Reminder appointment to search for the next patient to review. Thank you for watching. Vinaka.